This conference will now be recorded.
Those traders are still not taken entry. Entry now it's only about 34,755. I'm telling you. Okay, price is trading around 740, 43 levels. Those are into the trade. Stop loss is 34,685. Okay, this is a future line. I'm telling option same. You can choose an option strike price of 34,200 call or a 34,300 call option. Very clear. Let's see few other stocks meanwhile. And very important, this is free live session which I'm conducting. So make sure if you want to learn something new, make sure to stay on the session throughout, because this is a weekly expiry. We might get different trading opportunities if market goes into a volatile mode. Okay. Market is volatile, then we might get many opportunities as the weekly expiry. Let's see. Currently, Bank Nifty is just trying to multiple time come and roam around Giga. Again, low volume driven market, low volumes. Look at the volume. Very low volume driven market. Yes, meanwhile, if anyone have any questions, yes, you can post your questions in the chat box. Make sure to stay muted on the session so the other participants will not get disturbed. Make sure to stay muted. What is the price now? Trading around 736. I've entered entries around 755. So 34, 755, right? So as of now, what is the strength we could see? strength is lagging because of low volume driving the market. The strength is lagging here. Both from buyers or sellers I'm speaking. In general, the strength is lagging because of low volume. So what I will do right now, price is trading around 742, very important. 40, 42, 36 future, just 15 to 20 points below our entry point. Let's see how this trade setup which I've shared for free, how it works in today's market. Okay, Reliance, when it comes to Reliance, today it's a AGM meeting, sir. Today it is an AGM meeting, so at 2 p.m., if I'm not wrong, it will be volatile. So I have entered somewhere around 13 to 755, right? So price is trading at 735, 40, 43 levels. Still, this low volume is only making me think twice or thrice. See how the pans out. I was zooming around 35, 749, 750. Volume has to support, sir. Volume will play a very important. Whenever price is aggressively moving up or moving down, always very important is the volume. Because the volumes are still not supporting the up move which is trying to come here. Look at the volumes. Volumes are not at all negative, it's just not supporting. So because of the volume pressure, its price is just roaming in and around Viva. It is just roaming around in, above, below, around Viva, but it's just roaming. And this is the same morning zone where price went into a clear sideways territory. Again, that is the same location where price is trying to go sideways. Look at the volumes. Low, damn low volumes. Continue. Let's quickly address few questions here. Any special steps need to be done on expiry day? Subrata Nayak sir is asking, any special steps need to be done expert? Sir, nothing special steps. There is no such special steps. Sir. Every day you need to be prepared with your own trade plan, with your own trading approach. How markets are reading, you just need to follow the market. Simply, that's it. There's no need for any special steps or that's nothing like that. One question, sir. Reliance is a day slow, but Nifty is a day. Can it make Nifty move up? So again, Reliance 2 p.m. It's the AGM meeting is there, so we can't even think what Reliance outcome can come from the AGM. So how it can react in a very volatile post almost after the next 30-40 minutes. Very volatile. Okay, how to choose price in expiry day? What are the criteria for that? So you need to choose the option strike price, in the money strike prices on options. Simple. Simple, in the money strike prices you have to choose. Just very low. Again, the volumes are getting low, lower and lower volumes. I believe what I'm trying to, I believe you are understanding what I'm trying to say when it comes to the perspective of low volume. Okay, one question is there will be any decay in the money strike? Yes, decay, option premium erosion, theta decay happens in every strike price. In the money strike price, it takes time to decay, but out of money and all waste, it will decay from the very fast decay will come on the out of money strike prices. In the money, it will take time in premium decay. Volume again, volume will play very important role here. Volume driven move will be more stronger and more healthier. Volume with follow through. That's the additional power for an any stock or index moving up or moving down, along with the volume, the follow through. You see, this is the one candle down up, everything happened on the same candle. You see a sudden spike in this volume. this spike is that stop loss is getting hammered. It got hammered. Stop loss of those in the sideways option traders who are taking a buy side trade somewhere here, buy side trade have got their stop loss hunted like anything. Believe you can understand what I'm trying to tell. Stop loss hunting means hitting the retail traders stop loss. More retail traders stop loss is getting targeted to be hunted. I believe you everyone understand the meaning of hunting. Okay, that is what this hunting, and then both buyers and sellers. I'm not telling only buyers got there. Also those sellers. Here price was going sideways and then a down move, and then again sideways auction. This point, both buyers and sellers would have participated. Those sellers who have not taken a short side trade here, they would have entered short here. And those traders who want to take a buy side in the sideways market, all those traders who have entered buy side and placed stop loss below this or somewhere here, got their hunted stop loss. Look at this. Next candle, price almost went till 734, 780. Now this important is this follow through upside move with increase in volume. Then the move is the sustainable move. I believe you're understanding. And that is the real sustaining move. Let me quickly address two more questions parallelly. Okay, how to choose option strike price? This is one question which I'm getting here. How to choose option strike price? Simple, sir. Choosing option strike price is very simple. Let's assume somewhere you are interested to take an entry. Let's assume 35,000 is the price which is trading. For an assumption, I'm telling you 35,000 is the price is trading here. So if you want to buy a call option or a put option, it can be anything. Let's assume you want to focus on buying a call option. 300 point downside from the level where you are interested to entry. 300 point downside for a call option. 300 point upside for a put option. Simple logic. Nothing special. Very simplest way to choose a strike price. Again, I will repeat quickly. If you want to focus or want to choose an option strike price on a call side, want to buy. So what you need to do? This is the entry somewhere around entry. Look at this. Day I is getting tagged here. Day I is getting tagged here. Look at this. 825. So those traders taken a trade, you can start booking profits. 1:1.5 is the risk reward which I told. Traders who have followed and taken my trade, you can start booking your profits. One simplest easy trade as per the trade setup which I have shared. Can start booking your profits. This is 1:, as per this trade setup, it is just 1:1.5 risk reward, which that is what I have told in the video of free trade setup. 1:1.5 has got triggered. Actually, I went till 34,870. Booking here is next to impossible because of flash move. Can start booking your profits. Yes. This is the importance of a live trading. Okay, look at this. Simply what was the trade setup, which I have shared for free, sir, because free doesn't have value. Most people doesn't even bother to show interest in free. Look at this. Watch this video. Watch this video. Simple. Simply, I'm telling you, watch this video. The today's trade which I have taken is the same trade setup which I have shared for free. It's not like I'm sharing a trade setup and whether it is working or not, whether I will trade or not. This is what I have shown in reality in front of you in live market. This is the power of live markets, live market session. Okay, those traders who have left the session, I don't even care. Now, why I booked the profit? Very important. To watch this video without skipping, you need to watch. I have told 1:1.5 is the risk reward, which I got straight away. Entry was 34,755, somewhere around. I have told to book profit around 34,825 to 830 price was trading on a future. This 1:1.5, but I went to the high of the day as went till 34,870, but it is not possible to book there, so I can't claim here that I have told it and price went up. Okay, very clear. Those are, you need to watch. This is what the free session which I personally do. It's a benefit of it. Okay, you need to understand. Watch this video without skipping even for a second. What I will do, I will share this link here. And check the inbox, chat box. I have shared the link. You can watch this video without skipping. Same trade setup I have taken here. No special change here. I have made no change. Same. Now tell me, anyone have any questions? Now look at market is just roaming here and there. The roaming is getting developed. If I want to follow, I need to follow it fully. If I'm sharing a content for free, I personally use it in live market. It's not like I'm sharing a content, I'm not using it in live market. That is not a theory here. Trade setup, whichever I am sharing, the knowledge which I am sharing, it's just the real knowledge. It's not like I will share a trade setup and later on I will not even follow that. Which is I have shown in live market in front of you. Whatever I speak, same thing I do in the live market. So how many have taken this trade? I don't know how many. I have not even asked how many have taken. So let me know how many have taken this trade. Yes, no. Be honest, sir. No problem. I'm not gonna do anything here. Okay. How many have taken this trade? Be honest and just type yes or no. No problem. If you have missed it, no problem. Still you can tell me. Okay. If you have taken it. So yes, the traders, yes, you have taken a trade. Fantastic. You have taken it. If you have not taken it, no problem. What about others? Okay, few traders are comfortable in watching. No worries. What about others? Okay. Now few may think, sir, why you have been hurried to book profit? Rule is same rule, sir. 1:1.5 is the rule which I have started the trade setup. When the trade setup came, I did showed you in front of in live market. So rule has to be followed fully. Okay, rule has to be followed fully. Sandeep sir is now asking which strike price. Sir, already trade is done, sir. Okay, one question. What is the Maruti doing here? Maruti question is Maruti. Maruti is flat, sir. And one more thing, sir, I have a long question in DLF at 290. Can I hold or move? Sir, I don't track DLF. To be honest and frank, I don't track DLF. What's happening in Maruti? Please, we need to check what's happening in Maruti here. Look at this. Morning for the past 3 days, not today, for the past 3 to 4 trading session. What is happening in Maruti is very important option development. You need to understand it. This will help you on a better perspective on looking market. Look at this clean up move. Next day clean up move. Today it is an overlapping of move. Can you understand? It's a clean move for the past 2 days. Today, if we check on a 5-minute time frame, what is happening? Very important. On the case of Maruti, because it's inside this pivot point which I have added, especially a simple pivot point I have added. This is just a simple R1 which I have added. It's available in every broker terminal. What's happening here? Very important is today when price is trying to come down, again buyers are trying to push the price up, but today's pace is different. Look at this overlap. Look at the volumes. Low volume drop in the volume. Again up move, it's not giving a follow through. Again price going into sideways, again low volume trend. And you understand this is making the market after 2 days of full clean up move. Today these buyers who are trying to come in this, not especially in this sideways, those who are coming in this sideways, one round of down move will trigger all their stop loss. Now the stop loss zone is open clearly. Now the stop loss zone is open, freely available to be hunted somewhere here, somewhere this zone. This is, look at this. What is happening here? What retail traders will do, they will simply draw a line here, price touching and crossing. It's 2 times touching and crossing means then it is super strong. We can go and take a buy side. This is what retail traders will do, but this is not the way real trading works. Now we could see there is an overlap straight away. Overlap getting developed, up move, overlap getting developed. For a further up move, what is the better option? Is one round of down move to trigger a stop loss and then a reversal on towards upside. This will make all this retail buyers to get their stop loss hammered, stop loss undid, then an up move. That will be more comfortable to sustain for a further trending auction towards upside. I believe what I'm trying to do, I believe you are understanding it. Same case of which is getting developed on this one, this stock. Yes, Reliance, someone was asking about Reliance. Very important and interesting option. Look at Reliance. From morning, what is happening? As today it is at 2 p.m. we have the AGM meeting agreed, but very important here is price is trying to come down, sideways, down, again sideways, again down, again now it's bigger sideways. Again price trying to move down. Look at the difference of this sideways which is getting developed. The time span is increasing and increasing. Look at this span. It is just 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes of option. Here look at this 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 to 45 minutes of option. Here look at this. Almost 2 hours of sideways option. Now interesting here is very important is in looking at the same pattern, price coming down, going sideways and then down, going sideways and then down. What retail traders will do is in this both pattern which is getting developed, traders would have not taken a short side trade. What they will do is they will now go and looking at this 2 hours of sideways market, they will simply draw a line here like this and like this. So below price is going, retail traders will blindly take a short side trade looking at the same pattern. Now it will be super beautiful if the price shoot up, trigger all these retail traders stop loss. Because try to understand, retail traders, if you have no knowledge, just looking at like this, pattern development down, pattern development down, again same pattern getting developed 2 hours, price moving down, I will take a short side. This is not the way real trading should be done. You need to understand it. This is not the way real trading has to be done. Because traders are missing this two beautiful opportunity now, forcing retail traders are forcing to take a short side trade. Their mentality is very simple. Now, if you see Reliance will show in a minus 30 points. Reliance is trading around 2179. It will somewhere show minus 30 or minus 28 points. Okay, this minus will make those retail traders to follow this pattern which is trying to get developed again to go and take a short side trade blindly of this breakout. This is not the way real trading works. It can work 1 day or 2 days, but in the long run, it's very difficult. You need to understand. If anyone is doing this kind of same activity, wasted. You need to stop doing this kind of same activity. Anyone have any questions, do let me know. Quickly, I will try to answer your queries. And one answer I will straight away give those traders who want to know why I have taken a buy side trade. This is the video. This is the Bank Nifty trading strategy by which I have taken a trade, which I have shared and free available in my YouTube channel. Any other questions? Make sure to shoot out your questions quickly. I will start answering your queries. All the rules, regulation, everything is available there. Okay, the link is I have shared in the YouTube channel link. You can go ahead and click on the link and watch all the videos, and make sure to click on the subscribe button on the YouTube channel link which I have shared in the chat box. Deepak sir is asking, price action is useful. Yes sir, price action is very useful sir. Very, very useful. Swapnil sir is telling you have bought 34,900 call at 60 but exited at 75. Sir, why you are taking so out of money call and all? I don't understand. Make sure to take in the money option, sir. Don't waste your money in taking out of money and all. Just waste. You will start losing money only. And I believe everyone can see the link of my YouTube channel to watch the videos you have still not watched in the chat box. Right? Mr. Sir is asking, can we take trade if price is above VWAP and pivot point? Sir, we need to check the price auction which is getting developed. Blindly, I can't tell you. You need to understand that. Okay, what is the time? Time is 1:27. So I could see there is no other questions. This is a short live session, sir. Free, I can't. Free means because most traders don't respect the free live sessions. So this is just a 1 hour of live session. What is the time? Time is 1:25. So taken a trade, made a profit. I don't know how many have accepted. We taken this trade and made a profit. But if you're accepting it, just make sure. Let me know if you have taken it or not. I believe this session was useful to you. Price action is very useful, sir. You need to learn to use the price action. There are different traders do different way of price action. You need to understand when to use, how to use, and where to use price action. Okay. So any questions, if you have, feel free to ask your question. As I am ending this session, you can ask your questions via WhatsApp and Telegram. I have shared the link to message me personally. If anything else, if you want to be asked, you can message me. Okay. Deepak sir is asking, we have to monitor trade continuously. Sir, Deepak sir, first you have to learn, sir. Then you can monitor, then you can trade. First you have to learn the price action clearly. So yes, without any further delay, time is 1:30. I will end this session right now. Thank you so much for attending this session. I believe this session was useful. Those who have taken trade would have made decent money here. Same trade setup followed, which I have started for the free. Nothing special I have spoken here. I believe this session was useful. Before completing the session, just type yes if the session was useful. Those traders who have taken trades, it was an easy trade and easy money is being made. Don't do random trades, don't follow call providers and lose your hard-earned money. That is the only reason which I am trying to tell you. Okay. So yes, without any further delay, I'm just ending this session right now. Thank you so much. Let's see if I am planning any things to do, any upcoming live sessions in future. Because free has to, I don't know whether I will get a approach or I will get more traders to participate in the free session, because free doesn't have value, which I always believe. Free never ever have value. When I'm sharing free, most traders don't even bother to use it in a maximum extent. So I believe everyone have watched Trading is Easy free course, which I have shared already in Telegram and WhatsApp. If you have still not watched, make sure to go back and register for the course and watch it for free. Simple process to register, and make sure to register for the course also. Just quickly show you what. Yes. You can watch this video and make sure to register yourself and watch the Trading is Easy course, which I have already shared for free. Okay, thank you so much. I'm ending this meeting right